Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you everything related to assignments. Now time is 10:43 and in the assignments you can see that there is a sample test due today at 10:53. That means by 10:53 I am supposed to submit these assignments. If you can't find assignment in assignments tab, then you can go to the teams and choose the subject in which you have exam on the day. Click on general, tap on more, and here you can see assignments. Tap on the assignments, then you will be able to see the assignment of the day, that is the question paper of that exam will be available in this. I am tapping on that. Now you can see that the name of the test is sample test due today at 10:53. That means by 10:53 you are supposed to submit the assignment, and closes today at 10:57. On or after 10:57 you will not be able to submit the test. From 10:53 till 10:57 your submission will be considered as late submission. From 10:57 submission will not be possible. Now once you have done writing the exam, you have to open the camera app, take the picture of each and every answer sheet that you have written. Make sure that your name, subject and page number are clearly visible on each and every page. Once all your answer sheets are captured by your camera, go to the assignment again, tap on attach. Here you have to choose upload from this device. Then you will be able to see the recent photographs there. You can select the images one by one. Again tap on attach, choose upload from this device, select the second image. Again tap on attach, upload from this device, third image. Like this, how many ever images you have, all those images will be selected and attached. Once you are done attaching all the images, you can tap on hand in on the top right. I am tapping on hand in. That's it, you have successfully submitted your assignment. We suggest you to upload a PDF of images instead of individual images. If I have to upload individual images, I need to select those multiple times. Instead of that, we suggest you to convert all these images into a PDF and then upload it once. So let's install any image to PDF converter. I have installed one image to PDF converter. Tap on that, choose yellow. Now you have to select all the images that you want to convert into PDF. Long tap on the images to select multiple images. Once all your images that belongs to this exam are selected, tap on import. You will be able to rotate the images. So here you can see I am rotating each and every image. Make sure they are oriented properly. Choose done. Tap on convert to PDF. You can see one default name is given. You can keep it as it is and tap on convert. Your PDF is ready now. Once the PDF is ready, go to Teams. So here I am going into General of 12th Informatics, More, Assignments. As the time has crossed 10:53, the due time, assignment is listed in completed now, not in assigned. Now tap on sample test. Still you can see here the assignment closes at 10:57. That means still there are 2 minutes for you to upload the PDF. Now there is no option for you to attach your work because you have already handed in your assignment. Now I am tapping on undo hand in. Now tap on attach, upload from this device. When you click on upload from this device, you will be able to see only the recent images, but we have made a PDF which will be available in file manager. I am tapping on file manager. In this you have to search for your PDF. So I am going into documents, image to PDF converter. I am tapping on this file. So please wait for it to get uploaded completely. Once it is uploaded, you can remove your previous images if you have uploaded any images. Once you are done attaching the PDF, now tap on hand in late. That's it. You have successfully submitted the PDF now. Let's see what happens from 10:57. We have previously submitted images before 10:53. After 10:53, your assignment is in completed list and you had a button like undo hand in. That will not be available from 10:57. As you can see, undo hand in button has disappeared. Even if your page doesn't refresh automatically, and if undo hand in button is seen, once you tap on it, you will get a message that assignment was closed. So make sure that you will upload the assignment before the close time. Hope you understood. Thank you.